2, 3. Welcome back to my channel. It's a lovely girl Anastasia and welcome back to another girly video in this lovely channel. I'm so excited about today's video because this is my first ever sponsor video. I got my first ever peer package and I'm so happy and excited. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell down below to have a notification every time I upload videos on this lovely channel. Let's hit 600 subscribers. So I'm so happy. I think you can see how excited and happy I am. I don't know, it was just a random day. I saw my emails and I saw Vocosi shoes like for a collaboration email and I was shocked. I screamed out loud and I was very happy and excited. So they sent me free shoes to review on my YouTube channel to show you and share my thoughts. Now, sponsor or not, you know me, I'm gonna be total honest as I was with Olaplex, with Alia Skin, with everything and anything. I'm total honest with you. If I like the shoes, I'm gonna tell you I like the shoes. If I don't like them, I'm gonna tell you it's not worth it. So I'm a very straight person. What I believe, I'm gonna tell you, especially with you. It doesn't matter if this is a sponsor or not, I'm gonna be total honest. With or without sponsor. I think it's time to get into the shoes, wear them, explain to you how I feel and if they're worth it or not. Before I review the shoes, I want to let you know you can use my code Anastasia on the checkout of the website and you can have some cash money off. You're welcome. So Vocosi shoes, I really hope I pronounce it well, sorry. So Vocosi shoes, this is the Instagram of the shoes that you can find them and also the website. So there's tons of shoes and I can tell that they're like designer dupes, Christian Louboutin, Valentino shoes and all the kind of like luxury brand shoes, and actually affordable because they're not the same price, they're even more cheaper. So they're like shoes dupes. Dupes means replicas. They asked me what shoes I wanted. They sent me the Valentino shoes and also they sent me the Louboutin shoes, the red bottoms, because you know me, and if you know me, you know. I'm in love with the Valentino shoes, the Rockstud, very in love, like it's my dream shoes. Every time that I go to a luxury store and I saw them, I literally show you every time in my vlogs that I want them and want them. Sometime in the future I'm gonna buy them. But yeah, when I saw that they're gonna send me that kind of shoe that pretty much are the same with Valentino, only difference is the price, I was so shocked and happy and I was like, yes, I want this shoe, the Valentino ones. So I can't believe it that I have them and I cannot wait to see them. I didn't wear them, I didn't try them at all. I just opened to take a picture for my Instagram, for Instagram story, because I was so excited. That was my first peer package. Yeah, let's open them together and wear them and try them. So they came like that, very protected in these dust bags, each shoe. So this is the one pair of shoe. This is the other. Oh, inside something. Oh, they said also the silicone of the shoe. Really kind of them. So the silicone is like, if it's big for you, I think you wear the silicone and it's not like, it's more stable if you wear this. If it's kind of big, I think. Tons of papers to protect the shoes. Actually, they came very protected. I can say that they came very protected. I'm so impressed of the package. This is the shoes. So, 1, 2, 3. Ah! I'm in love. I cannot believe that. I can't believe that. I can't believe that. Oh my god, they smell new shoes, new luxury shoes. This is how they smell and I'm impressed. As we can see, it's the same with Valentino ones. This is the Valentino, the original ones, and this is the affordable version for Vocosi shoes. So I can tell you they are the same. Oh my goodness. Let me take this off. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it that I'm holding this shoe right now. Oh my god. But I cannot believe that. They are the same with Valentino. Like 100% same. This is a picture, you can see how similar and the same are. The color is the dream color that I wanted to buy, the originals. So, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. The only difference that I can see on the shoes is that there's not label Valentino. There's nothing actually labeled there. And the price. That's the only difference. The label and the price. The price for almost 700 euro to 70 euro. Actually, you can use my code Anastasia for some cash off on the website if you want to have them in your life. They're pretty. If you love Valentino Rockstud shoes and you cannot afford them, this is for you. Literally, this is for you. The quality is amazing. They smell luxury, new shoes. I don't know if they're leather too, but they smell amazing. The same with the Valentino. Oh my goodness. No, I never saw in my life such a good copy. Like, what? It's insane. I cannot wait to wear them. So I got size 38, Euro 38, USA 7.5. So this is how they look at the back of the shoe. For the first glance, this is very impressive. Girls, I'm so happy with the quality of the shoes, girls. Like, I'm so impressed. This is even real. Let's see the other shoe as well. Okay. Oh my god, they are stunning. What I respect about Vocosi shoes is that they respect Valentino, because they didn't put any Valentino tag there. They don't pretend that they're Valentino. I see it with other way. I see it like they're helping people, if they're not afford the Valentino ones, to just live their dream life and have also that shoes. And I love the fact that they respect Valentino without putting any label and just, you know what I mean? They respect that shoes. It just gives you opportunity to have one as well. Stunning. Okay, let's wear them. Let's wear them. Okay, this is the best ankle that I can do. This is the shoes. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh really, really I can't believe it. Okay, first pair on. Exactly my size. I'm wearing 38. Oh my goodness, they're stunning. I wanna go out now with my outfit. Looks so cute. So, this is how they look. Let me wear the other pair as well. Oh my goodness, they're stunning. I want to go out and wear them to a restaurant or something. They're really comfortable. I don't know. I don't feel that I'm wearing heels at all. Very comfortable heel. I'm impressed. I can stay stand like for 4 to 3 hours, 100%. They're so good. I'm so impressed. The quality is amazing. I'm speechless, I'm speechless, I'm speechless, I'm speechless, I'm speechless. The quality of the shoes are just amazing. They are 100% the best dupe that you can find for Valentino Rockstud shoes. I'm impressed, not because only of the look, of the fit of the shoe. When I wear them, I don't feel that I'm wearing heels. I feel like they're very comfortable and I can stand on them for around, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours, and I feel that I can handle more. They're just amazing. I'm so impressed and happy. Oh my goodness. What I love about the shoes, if you're not comfortable to wear heels, you know, you're not used to heel. What I love about the shoes is that they give you so much support because of the stripes there, that they actually hug your ankle, and it's so easy to walk with them. Like, you feel so comfortable. You have so much attitude when you wear them because you feel comfortable, that you are safe with them. That's what I love about the Valentino whatever shoes, the Valentino Vocosi shoes. Have the support that you need to feel safe, and they're just amazing. I cannot wait to wear them and go out to a fancy restaurant or something. Insanely amazing. And the only difference with the originals is the price. That is from 700 to 70, and the tag, the label there that says Valentino doesn't say anything, but still they're amazing. The fit of the shoe is amazing. The only thing that I can tell you is that they're a bit tight there, but just because the shoe is pointy, all the pointy shoes are supposed to be a little bit tight there. Because the shoe sizes, they have also 38, 38 and a half, and then 39. And the original Valentino have only 38, 39, and blah, blah, blah. You can have 38 and a half if you want, if you think that your feet there is too big, because I really have a tiny feet and they're kind of tight there. If you feel that your feet is a little bit bigger to the side than mine, you can get 38 and a half. But you know what? It's not that bad. I feel like from the time that I wear this shoe, it's not that tight anymore because I wear it, you know, and I stretch it. So I feel like in about 2 to 3 wears it's gonna be fine. All the shoes, they are tight there, and then they open during the days that you wear them. So definitely 100% approved. I recommend you to buy the Vocosi Joseph shoes. If you like the red buttons Christian Louboutin shoes, they also have them in their site. On the checkout, don't forget to use my code Anastasia for some cash money off. You're welcome. If you love Valentino shoes and you cannot afford them, this is the best thing, because I went to the store of Valentino and I wear the originals, and let me tell you, they are the same fit and they feel the same thing. Same thing. The only difference is that you're gonna pay 700 just for the label there, nothing else. All the other is the same thing. Quality, the shoe is so soft, it's just amazing and very comfortable. Like, I cannot wait to wear them when I go out. They're stunning, literally they're stunning. Thank you so much Vocosi Shoes for sending me these lovely shoes and finally have my dream shoes. Thank you so much. Don't forget to use code Anastasia on the checkout. So if you want to have a collaboration with me, you can email me. My email is in the description down below, and you can email me for a collab. I was waiting for this video for so long to do like a sponsor video and share my honest opinion. Definitely, girls, trust me, this is my honest opinion. This shoe is amazing. I promise you, like 100% guarantee that you're gonna fall in love with this shoe. Comment down below if you want me to try more Vocosi shoes, Christian Louboutin, the red bottoms. Comment down below if you want me to review more shoes from Vocosi. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell down below to have a notification every time I upload videos on this lovely channel. Help your girl to reach to 600 subscribers. Follow my Instagram and TikTok. I love you all one by one, and see you again in my next video.